Hi guys, and today we're going to be evaluating the poison tree.
The poem uses an extended metaphor, which is a sustained metaphor that refers to the comparison between two unlike subjects that continues throughout the poem. The extended metaphor is the comparison of the apple tree to represent the narrator's growing anger. The growing tree symbolises the growing anger of the narrator. The narrator clearly has a foe which is causing his anger. I was angry with my foe. He tends to the anger with fears and tears to symbolise the obsessive thoughts about the enemy and the pain caused by discord. The apple bright could represent a moment of triumph where the narrator is victorious over his foe. The enemy knew that it was. This shows the disgrace he seeks revenge on the narrator, but in doing so, he gets hurt in the process. The image of the apple is an allusion to the fruit eaten by Adam and Eve. The poem also uses structure techniques, such as the poem introduces a volta after the first two lines, when the focus switches from anger between two friends to anger between enemies. The fact the scenario where the anger between friends can be dealt with shows the situation is simple to remedy. A second volta appears at the beginning of line 15 when the narrator reveals the shocking fact that he is glad his foe has been poisoned. After his turning point, the reader finds it hard to identify with the narrator as his reaction is ugly and his celebration of unhappiness. James is going to talk about form.
The poem consists of 4 quadrants. This gives an illusion of regularity that is at odds with the highly irregular context of the poem. The form makes his poems as accessible as possible so that the message can reach a large audience. William Blake uses rhyming couplets to create a constant rhyme scheme that runs through the poem, giving a sing-song quality and makes it sound like a nursery rhyme, and used to teach children about words, and this poem also carries advice for its readers, both young and old.
Context. William Blake was interested in his own literature heritage, loved the works of Shakespeare and produced by many illustrations inspired by Shakespeare's play. We may also see some Shakespeare influence with the poison tree. In Shakespeare's Macbeth, fair is foul and foul is fair, meaning that which looks innocent and wholesome is actually dangerous. Blake takes up this imagery in his own poems. So the apple's bright looks tempting, but it's actually poisonous.
The narrator's growing anger. The growing
Come on.
language technique, such as an extended metaphor, which is a sustained metaphor that refers to the comparison between two. It's the comparison of the apple tree to represent the narrator's.
I can't go.